I never been outside the fence before. Wonder what that guy was doing in this bucket over here. Man, wonder what's up. Oh, sweet Jesus. I gotta warn everybody. I gotta go tell the crew. I can't believe this. I can't wait to tell everybody at lunch. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. You're not gonna believe this. Hi, hey, everybody, listen up, listen to me. Hey, guys, stop eating. You're not gonna believe this. You're not gonna believe this, guys. Oh, my God. What is it, man? We're trying to get our grub on in here. What you want, man? Yeah, what you want, man? You guys, you're not gonna believe what I just saw happen in the woods. Oh, my God. It's a bombshell. Man, just say it, man. What is it? What is it that you saw? I'm hungry. Snowflake's dad's the farmer, guys. You believe that?
Man, you better not be lying.
It's payback time.
Ooh, man, I feel a lot better now. It's hot out here. Hey, what's going on, guys? Why are you guys looking at me like that?
Yeah, farmyard justice. Farmyard justice. Go get me some justice.
Come back here,
Save
boy.
yourself.
Yeah, you better run, fat boy.
Save yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you like what you see in today's video, like and subscribe. Do me a favor, do that for me. All right, so moving on, I want to show you guys what I finally got finished. I have the chickshaw finished, people. Yes, look how it turned out. It turned out amazing. A lot of people think it looks like a popcorn cart, but maybe we'll change the name to it for popcorn chicken or something maybe, but. So like I was saying, we're gonna put our yard birds in here, and that's my little name for them, little yard birds. And every morning, oh no, my wood swole up. Be right back, let me free this up real quick. All right, well, it looks like I have a little bit of work to do on this, but the idea is to open this up, let the chickens out, and let them free range all day long. And then at night, we'll put them right back in their little, they'll jump right back in their little chickshaw and sit up on their roost here. And they should be pretty safe from any predators. I put the hardware cloth here. Now, one thing I want to share with you guys is I stapled this, but I also reinforced it with the outside trim. There's nothing's gonna get through this stuff. Some of you may be asking about why I chose to go with a clear plastic. And the reason I went with a clear plastic is so in the winter time, when it's cold outside and I have this stuff kind of blocked up, but I'm still getting some good ventilation, I want the sunlight to be able to reach through here and heat these guys up, kind of like a greenhouse effect, if you know what I'm saying. So, but in the summertime, I'll have it obviously in the shaded areas and we won't have to worry about it. Oh, another thing is I scored this desk for $5 just on a buy, sell, trade site. I got that for $5, made a little cool little pot holder out of it. Got my seasonal mums planted because I don't know about you, but I'm ready for fall. Just saying, it's my favorite time of year. I'm ready for fall, everybody. But today I got some chores going on. I got to get them done. I got to clean out the chicken coop, and I got a few other things. I got to run some feed up to the meat birds, and I want to show you our yard birds now that I took them out of the barn and how they're doing with the meat birds. So let's go on ahead and get up there. Looks like they want to get out, but you guys aren't coming out. I'm making them stay inside their coop because I started only getting 5 eggs a day. So something's telling me these girls are putting their eggs elsewhere. And I don't feel like going on Easter egg hunt, you know what I'm saying? So they've been on lockdown for about 2 days. First, to see if there's an issue, if they're actually only producing 5 eggs, and see if there's actually an issue with them, and or are they out there laying their eggs somewhere else. So, all right, let's go check out these meat birds. Ain't messing around. Because I mean yard birds, I mean prison yard bird, yo. All right, I'm gonna get these guys fed. Man, I'm telling you, they'll follow you anywhere. Let's get her feeder. Out of the way, meathead. Let's go feed these puppies in the shade. Oh, you can barely walk. Look at this. Look. All right. Let's go get them in the shade, guys. Come on. I got one follower, don't I? Yep, you're right there.
Oh, man, I really appreciate this. I just never get to eat by myself. I'm always around my brothers and sisters, you know, and oh man, it feels good just to have a meal on my own.
So as you can see a little bit, I'll put some around this electric fencing on the bottom. The fencing's off, guys. But instead of weed eating, these meat birds are really good at clearing brush, as far as grass, that is. So what I'll do is I'll just sprinkle a little bit of the feed on the areas that I'm having problems with a little overgrowth. And they'll clear it right up. Here, let's get them in the shade. Hey guys. There you go. They might be small, guys, but they're healthy. They're really healthy. And there's nothing better than eating protein like this that you raised. And they're able to forage and eat grasses and bugs and be chickens, first of all. So my worst part of the day is coming up. I gotta go clean the chicken coop out, so let's get to it. Ugh. It's hotter than fish grease in here, guys. Voila, new bedding for the girls. Now I just put hay in here with a little bit of diatomaceous earth. But I like to keep it a little bit fluffy for them. We'll spray a little bit of a fly spray in here. Keep the flies down. It also keeps the bugs down. Little goes a long ways, guys. So there you have it. All fresh and so clean. What do you guys think? I do have a future project I gotta get done. This door is finally seen its day. This door, it'll make some interesting projects, but as far as the door, she's smoked. Woo! Nothing but the poo.
Oh, it smells too.
Yeah, it does. We're gonna wash this off. Oh, back up. Just soak dishes.
That's what we call brave. When he's trying to clean off.
That water's like boiling hot.
Maybe we should dump the water out.
Oh, we're gonna clean the water. That's for sure. I mean, that damn near burned me. Well, I'd say they're really enjoying this new water. Actually, wind up taking the hose and moving it in the shade, and then I'll hide it in the grass and the woods all the way up. But yeah, they had nothing but hot water, I think, to drink for a while. They'll be a lot happier. Yeah, so with these, we're gonna about, the way I timeline this is I gave them 3 bags of food. I bought 3 bags of meat bird food, high protein food. That should last us about another week or 2, and then we're gonna send them off to the butcher. So no more meat birds here in about 2 weeks. What do you think about not having meat birds?
It'd be a lot easier.
A lot easier? What do you think about eating meat birds?
Delicious.
Delicious? There you go. From a kid that knows his meat.
We're gonna have 30 chickens, 30 like breasts of chicken,
Yeah.
30 meat birds in that fridge.
Yeah, he got introduced to the air fryer fried chicken method. So I did some thighs and legs and some wings in there, and they were a big hit. There you go. Your chore shoes are about as practical as my chore shoes. What do you guys think? Wise choice? I think so. Buff Overton's my favorite chicken right here. A boy and his chicken. Got a little bit of a tasty treat for the girls today. A little bit of a tasty treat. We got some blueberries that went bad.
Oh, Dad, you can make a salad.
Should make a salad for them.
Yeah.
And these strawberries.
And then the salad.
And then we got some salad for them. Tell you what, these chickens love strawberries.
How can you tell?
Oh, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get these birds trained to the new chickshaw. And normally how I do it is I would lock them up in there and let them roost. My problem is I got 11 of them big birds, and they're not quite gonna fit in there, all of them, for a few days. So gotta figure out a different way to make that home for them. So if you got any ideas, shoot them my way. What's up, Mama? How you doing? You feeling better?
Kinda, sorta.
Kinda, sorta.
This is the
Steady but
puppy.
slow.
This is the bird eater.
The bird eater. Jasmine's the bird eater. All right, guys. So, wife came out and told me that I had to put things to a halt, stop, and get in the shower and get going because we had errands to run. So, I got all cleaned up. We ran our errands. We're done. All we got to do now is relax. So, if you enjoyed what you watched and you want to see more, subscribe, hit that notification button, and you'll be notified when I make my next video. I hope to see you guys on the next episode of Sunny Slope Homestead. So you guys have a good day, and I'll see you later.